Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I will be showing you how to set up an n8n self-hosted AI starter kit. So let's just begin. For what we're going to do is, first of all, um, since you need a self-hosted AI starter kit, we need to clear out our workspace first, and you can incorporate different kind of triggers. And in here you can simply, once it is clicked, it is going to be doing a data transformation. Maybe you can manipulate data. You can see we have date and time in here. We can add to a date, around a date, or let's just say we want to go back and add different kind of aggregate merge. This is going to be for the nodes, of course, so I can go back. Here we have our action in an app that we can use, like for example, if we want to open up any software or anything, just like we have Calendly, we have our um, click up, and we can sort different kind of stuff. So if I search in here for, you can see we have our workable and survey monkey. So all of this is going to be for different type of tasks. We can also add a sticky note in here, and in there you can see, double click to edit me. You can add in here different kind of notes. And yeah, so that's how you can add a self-hosted AI starter kit. You can incorporate whatsoever you would like to do. I hope this helps. Make sure to head over to the link in the description to access n8n. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.